Hello everyone. Now we will do a demo for API documentation for this new portal. This portal is changed, so I will make a video for 2 minutes so you can find easily the API. So the first step, click on WhatsApp, then scroll down, click on accounts, then right side click on add account and scan here your WhatsApp number, and here you can scan, and the API code we will give you in Notepad. So this is the for text, or here in the bottom you can see the code for media also. So the first step, need to link your domain. So this is our domain, then it asks for secret. So go in your portal and click here in tools, click on API keys, right side click on add API, and API for WhatsApp. Give any type of name. Then permission, here you need to select only WS sent and remove other all things. So then click on submit, and then API for WhatsApp. So click, sorry, copy this code. This is the secret, and here paste that code. Then it asks for account. So where we can find the account? Here in the software, go in WhatsApp, go in accounts, and for this number we want to take API, then click on plus and click on here copy account ID. So copy and paste here in account. Then it asks for the number, customer number. You can type here what type of your message. So here you can type any type of message, here demo, like that. Then copy this and link anywhere where you want to link. Okay, it's done. That's it. So maybe it's very easy. You can just see the video and follow the step. Thank you.